Did you know that Husqvarna got its start as a weapons manufacturer way back in the 1600s? It's true, they made muskets. And for 2023, Husky is ready to pull the trigger on their competition with a powerhouse two-man team in the 450 class. Returning to the team for 2023 is Malcolm Mookie Stewart. Malcolm finished third place in the 450 Supercross Championship last year. He showed some amazing speed, and I personally think it's just a matter of time before he breaks through and gets his first 450 main event win. If you want to stay on top of what's happening in the motocross and supercross worlds, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And in what I consider a big surprise move, Team Yamaha Star Racing's Christian Craig has moved over to the Swedish machines. Craig was the 2022 250 West Coast Supercross Championship. This guy has some serious speed to him, and it's going to be really cool to see what he can do on the big Husky. He's actually been turning in some pretty good rides on that Yamaha YZ 450. Time will only tell what the future has in store for Christian. And until we meet again, never quit playing in the dirt.